Guys, this is Gaurav. You're watching my channel on Instagram. Today I'm going to talk to you about one of my favorite things, that is nuts. Nuts means dry fruits. And today I've got a surprise gift from Nuts for Us. This is a newly launched brand, a newly packaged brand rather. They are into the business since 1887, and they are very high quality nuts. Nuts have a lot of benefits, like you can always grab them for their nutritious value and health benefits. You can always have them as your midday meals. They give you a lot of energy. They have n number of benefits of which are health benefits, and they have a lot of fiber in them, and they keep your hunger at bay. And they can be also used in a lot of sweet dishes and a lot of cooking, baking, and a lot of stuff. So what I got from Nuts for Us is some beautiful things, which are like one of them was Afghani Munakka. You can see it. Now Afghani Munakka, it has a number of benefits. Just Google it and you'll find the benefits of Munakka for your skin, for your health, and your stomach, and whatnot. So, and they are very fine quality, packaged nuts and dry fruits available from Nuts for Us. You can grab them in Modern Bazaar, and there are many other hyper and supermarkets where you can get these Nuts for Us. Do not forget the name Nuts for Us. They are actually put a very nice name. Nuts for Us. Us means us, me, you, everybody. So we should have nuts every day as midday snacks. You can have almonds in the morning, and then you can have pistachios or munakka, or walnuts, and the flax seeds, and they have sunflower seeds, and many other things. So this is another thing. This is amazing, finest quality of pistachios that I have ever had in my life. Now they are not very salty, they are lightly salted. The crunch is amazing, easy to every nut is like crafted especially for you. So you can just easily break them and just grab them, 7 or 8, as in your midday meal. Maybe you can combine it with some walnuts and some almonds and stuff like that. And then the other thing that they have is these wonderful sunflower seeds. You can see them. These sunflower seeds again have enormous health benefits, and they're very tasty, very light. You can just have them in your car. You can take them, make a small pack of these nuts, combination of all these nuts I have shown you, and just keep having them twice a day, maybe a little while driving, or maybe when you feel hungry. So you have 3 meals in a day, which are big meals: a breakfast, dinner, and lunch. And then you should have 2 meals which are like called midday meals. So one could be your fruits, and the other could be definitely your dry fruits. And don't forget them. You need to have them from Nuts for Us to have the best quality. When you're having it, make sure you have the best quality. Another, they also have people who bake and use almond flour. So they have very fine quality of almond flour. So you can also check their shelf at Modern Bazaar, and check out what all other dry fruits they have. So I have tasted them. I'm going to taste one in front of you. This is one of my favorite dry fruits. This is pistachio, and extremely crunchy, man. Really like this stuff. So thank you Nuts for Us for sending this beautiful package. And one more thing, I really like this packing. This is a very nice quality zip pouch. I don't know whether it is available for retail, but if it is available, it is really, really good thing, because you can just grab them and have, in your car, or you can have with tea, coffee, or maybe some salted nuts you can have with your beer. So this is really cool packaging. I would advise nuts for us to go for this retail packaging, so that anybody can just pick them up and just open and just enjoy it. So to keep following my channel on Instagram at the rate Jerk Nose, and I'll bring you the wonderful things to eat, and rate them, review them. So this for me is 5 out of 5. Thank you once again. Nuts for us is the nuts you gonna have. Mind it.